Oil was depreciating for the whole past week and closed the session with considerable losses. It is quite natural that after a previous rally, oil started a pullback late on Friday. However, these days, the oil market is driven mostly by speculations and assumptions rather than by facts. This makes it more complicated to prepare a forecast. We are ready to share our market analysis on oil and the ruble for you. Want to learn more? Watch our video review. After a rapid decline from the previous resistance level, Brent crude reached a balance at $64.50 per barrel, from where it rebounded later on. Currently, the price is holding at $67.50 a barrel. It is likely that if the price settles firmly above this level, the upside cycle may resume. Meanwhile, WTI crude is following a similar trajectory. If it keeps holding above $64.50 per barrel, the price may easily head towards the area between $66.50 and $67 a barrel. Oil prices will surely rise further until they face the highs from last Tuesday. The question is whether oil will manage to reach these levels and how fast this will happen. In the meantime, the dollar-ruble pair continues to decline, showing a minimum trading activity. Volatility is rather low. That is why many traders hesitate to open short-term deals. At the moment, the quotes are holding at the level of 73.50. In this case, the trading strategy implies waiting for the price to hit a local low of 73.36. This will become the lowest value of the pair in the long term. Trading against the euro, the ruble has been holding in the sideways channel between 89.20 and 90.36 for the 15th day in a row. Given the current trend, the pair may continue to follow the trajectory. However, the main trading volume will appear after the price breaks through either of the boundaries. The ruble is steadily gaining ground, although it may seem on the daily chart that it's just stuck in a sideways channel. Indeed, the pace of growth of the Russian currency may not be so significant. Yet, the upside movement has been in place for quite a long time. At the same time, fears over inflation are rising as market participants are worried that the Russian central bank will tighten its monetary policy. In other words, the US dollar has every reason to grow. Yet, investors prefer to take a wait-and-see approach. Obviously, they need stronger evidence and not just assumptions about the plans of the Russian regulator. Today, they are unlikely to get such an opportunity. Today's releases of the macroeconomic data may have a different effect on the ruble. It may actually support the Russian currency. The unemployment rate is expected to stay unchanged, while retail sales are forecast to increase considerably. Let's see what happens next. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.